welcome to the Mindful Willow. Today I will be guiding a mindful freedom collage or intuitive collage. Freeing what is in your subconscious mind can be a very healing and creative process. You get to connect with your inner creative light by choosing images, colors, textures, and words that you are drawn to without planning or judging. This type of collage uncovers our subconscious emotions, moods, and inner world. This helps us gain a deeper insight to our true self and what we may want to focus on, take action on, or improve in our lives. You can learn so much about yourself through this mindful freedom collage and create a deeper connection to yourself and your life. I hope you will be inspired to try this for yourself, enjoy your creative process, and uncover and reflect on your self-discoveries. So here are the materials you will need for this project. First off is recycled cardboard or a base for your collage. Next is glue. You can use school glue, glue stick, Mod Podge, or I have an acrylic gloss medium to adhere your collage images. Next is any kind of papers that you may want to use for your collage, old book pages, scrapbook pages. This is a painted piece of paper I'm going to use. And then lastly, your magazines. So any kind of magazines that you might have, anything you want to recycle, and you can go through them and cut out the images that resonate with you. So now is the time to get comfortable and relaxed in your space. As you go through the magazines, choose the images that catch your attention. Try not to focus on the end result or what you will create or why you're choosing certain images. Whatever you're drawn to in this moment, just go with it. So here's my completed mindful freedom collage. I decided to use the painted paper as my background. I had made this previously. If you'd like to check out my video called Freedom Feathers, you can see how I made this paper. It's just a really simple technique using plastic wrap, plain white paper, and acrylic paints. When you feel your mindful freedom collage is complete, you can take the time to reflect and journal your experience. Ask yourself how the collage makes you feel. If you used any words in your collage, try forming them into affirmations. For example, I am in good health. I am resilient. I am surrounded by community. Reflect and write down anything that comes to mind that may be relevant in the present moment of your life. Images and words are very powerful and have deep meaning. They provide insight for something currently going on in your life, or they can provide inspiration for the future. Thank you so much for joining me today. I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and join the Mindful Willow Creative Art Group on Facebook, where I encourage you to post and share your mindful art creations in a healing art space. I love to see what you have all been creating. The mindful light in me honors the mindful light in all of you. Namaste.